Dear friends, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Good morning. Hope you're all staying safe and keeping well. I sincerely thank all of you who have subscribed to this channel and follow the channel. If you find the contents of the videos uploaded in this channel useful, please subscribe to this channel and click the notification or the bell button so that you can be notified when a video is uploaded. Please share the videos with others or in the internet. In the last episode of Know Your Personality segment, we elaborated on the positive traits of Enneagram personality type 4, the individualist, the romantic. In today's episode, we spell out the shadow traits or challenges of type 4 people. As a type 4 person, your basic fears are since your identity as it relates to your emotional states and self expression is important to you, you fear anything that would challenge or damage your identity. You fear not mattering in a situation. You fear not having significant impact on the world. You fear of being misunderstood. You fear others seeing you as an outcast and as unrelatable. As a type 4 person, some of your dominant shadow traits are you are reserved and withdrawn in large groups. You pull out when confronted with a difficult situation. You are fixated on what you do not have. You tend to focus too much on yourself. You react strongly and emotionally to hardships. You tend to be withdrawn and self absorbed. You can seek and indulge in pleasurable emotions and get caught up in excessive self indulgence, particularly in difficult and stressful times. As a type 4 person, you are stressed and strained being part of casual and meaningless conversation, being part of parties and large groups of unfamiliar people. When you feel that you lack personal creativity, when you are interrupted during a conversation, when you are confronted with an argument. Let us now describe some of the shadow dimensions of Enneagram Type 4. As a Type 4 person, you desire to be unique and you are happy when others see and appreciate your uniqueness and individuality. However, if others do not understand your uniqueness and appreciate your difference from them, you grapple with the issues surrounding your self image. Just because others do not understand your uniqueness, you can get caught up in self doubt, think that you fall short of the ideal image of yourself, and question whether you are truly unique. As a type 4 person, your need to be loved and to belong is strong. However, your need to be unique and different from others make you somewhat a distant type of person who shun normal forms of entertainment and interaction most people in the society engage in and interested in only deep and committed relationships. The conflict between these two needs can create problems in relationships and bring emotional dissatisfaction. As a type 4 person, your emotional connectivity can drive you to seek and indulge in pleasurable emotions. You have a tendency for excessive self indulgence, particularly during difficult times. When deprived of pleasure due to overly stressful times, you might compensate by indulging in food, drink, shopping, and other forms of entertainment. You may justify this behavior by saying that life is to be enjoyed. Instead of seeing such behavior as a flaw, you may see this indulgent behavior as a restoration of balance in your life. As a type 4 person, you want to be authentic and true to yourself in every situation. Hence, you tend to chart your own path, which may often be different from socially accepted practice in a given situation. You will not allow anyone, society or individual, to pressurize you to take a path that is different. Instead, you would question society's norms if they are not in line with your chartered path. This in turn can lead to conflict with other people, the institution, or the society you are part of. Princess Diana, a type 4 person, and her conflict with the British monarchy is a beautiful example of this dimension. As a type 4 person, you do not put on a mask as your identity, as you do not want to be a phony wearing social mask to hide your real self, as you want to get to the core of your true self and reflect that outward into the world. As this task takes time, soul searching, and uncertainty, you can feel unsettled and think that others seem to know themselves easily. This may lead you to feel envious of others. However, your envy does not usually arise because you feel badly towards others or wish them ill, but it arises from your feeling that you yourself fall short of what others possess. As a type 4 person, you see yourself as different from everyone else. You can understand your uniqueness as something better than others or not as good as others. That is, that you are beneath others. The former approach will make you condescending and self absorbed, while the latter approach will make you self depreciating and morose. You must bring a sense of balance in your life by taking into account your positives and shadows. The following tips may help you to achieve this balance. Recognize and redirect your self centered motivations. Take some time to reflect on the positive aspects of life. Practice breathing exercise to help you to process overwhelming emotional situations. Know that other people can help you to work through your problem. Do not hesitate to seek help if needed. As a type 4 person, you must remember that each intense emotion you feel is part of the totality of the journey of life. You must not let your emotions consume you. Your ability to feel deeply than others equip you with a gift to see what others cannot and experience what others never will. You must learn to channel these gifts to the best way possible for the betterment of others. As a type 4 person, you are a unique human being with strengths, talents, and a soul that others cannot fully grasp. Do accept the great value of your personality as it is flowering right now and believe that it will flourish as you move on in life. Know that as a type 4 person, you will always be special without even having to try. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.